So we just write that part. So but just we are hitting this on URL and we will see the framework will be open. See this framework is available. Now in this framework we will write the login credential, login ID and password, move ASF, default credential I have shown you. The same default credential I have written here. Then this is the portal where we can upload APK file. I have downloaded the game APK file, right? So this Pocket Tank game is available in my downloads folder. तो मैंने वो upload किया है. Once uploaded and after some time the report will be generated because my MoveSF framework is running in my system locally. There is no need of the internet, right? So getting the hard-coded certificates, key stores and everything we will see after analyzing the APK file. The report will be available like this, and you can do in your system and everyone can do. There is no need to much fast expertise. So after generating the report we will see a very good GUI. In GUI we will see static and dynamic reports. In static reports we will see some risk parameter, and in dynamic report we will see the dynamic nature of the codes, and we can download the source file as well, source code. So after some time we will see the report on the game APK. Is there any kind of malware? Is there any kind of risk is related with this particular file? So we can see after that. I have recorded this yesterday because I thought कि यहाँ पर मुश्किल होगी चीजें. Yes, this is the report generated finally. You can see this is the GUI, perfect GUI by MoveSF. In this particular GUI portal we are able to see the file information. See this Pocket Tanks, and this is the generic information. There we can see the source code, view source. When we click view source, you can check the file directory. You can hit any file folder, and in that particular Java file you can see like this. Hit the file directory on particular file, you can open this file in Java, right? And you can download this code. Download option is available. You can download, make changes and upload. So any folder you want to access, just hit on this file directory and you can get the access. Okay, this is the source code part, right? So MoveSF, this now Pocket Tank is the recent scans we are going to analyze. In this is generic information. This is generic information. In this information, this now we are checking the signer certificate. So signer certificates, application permissions. The permissions are available right now. The Android dot permission access network state. The state is normal. Description is there, and the code mapping is there. Now the point here is account. So dangerous risk is available here. In this particular dangerous risk, you can see the what is the representation, what is the description of that particular one. Next is Android API, another parameter. And in this Android API, we can see how many applications are installed, what is the status particular, what are the files associated with this. And next is network security. Certificate analysis is there. So